Bob Boldt HVAC is a trusted provider of furnace repair in St. Paul, Minnesota 55121, known for delivering reliable and efficient heating and air conditioning services throughout the Twin Cities. Their experienced technicians handle various heating systems, including Rheem furnaces, and are committed to ensuring quality repairs and maintenance for optimal indoor air quality. Are you looking for a furnace repair in St. Paul, Minnesota 55121? You can stop looking, you found Bob Boldt HVAC. What is the cost of furnace repair in St. Paul, Minnesota 55121? Furnace repair costs with Bob Boldt HVAC in St. Paul, Minnesota 55121 vary based on the issue's complexity and necessary parts, typically ranging from $100 for minor fixes to several $100s for larger repairs. They offer transparent pricing and provide detailed estimates before starting any work. Can Bob Boldt HVAC service all furnace brands, including Rheem and other major models? Yes, Bob Boldt HVAC can service a wide range of furnace brands, including Rheem and other major models. Their skilled technicians are trained to handle different HVAC equipment, ensuring quality service for any brand. What is the service area of Bob Boldt HVAC? Bob Boldt HVAC provides services at a variety of locations in Eagan, Minnesota, including Burnsville, Apple Valley, Eagan, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prairie Lake, Rosemount, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, and Richfield. Where is Bob Boldt HVAC located in St. Paul, Minnesota 55121? We are located at 860 Blue Gentian Road, Suite 200, Eagan, Minnesota 55121. Our phone number is 651-300-6145. Visit our website at www.bobvots.com.